Hey science enthusiasts and design lovers, today we are going to create a stylish chemistry flask icon in Adobe Illustrator, perfect for all your scientific endeavors. Let's begin by creating our flask's body. Grab the rectangle tool, and with a click and drag, draw a tall, slightly wider rectangle. Now, switch to the selection tool to manipulate the dimensions, and adjust the rectangle's proportions to your liking. Next, we will round the rectangle's bottom corners. Select the direct selection tool. Then select both bottom anchor points on the rectangle, then gently drag towards the center to curve the bottom, forming our flask's belly. Alright, now at the neck of the flask, use the rectangle tool again to draw a smaller, narrower rectangle on top of the flask's body. Align the neck perfectly at the center. To create the flask's liquid fill, use the ellipse tool. Draw an oval inside the flask's body. Adjust its size and position to simulate liquid. Now let's give the flask some depth and visual appeal. Select the flask body from the Layers panel, and then go to the Gradient panel. Select a Gradient Color Filled effect, then change the colors to create some depth, from a light color to a slightly darker color. Repeat this step for the neck and liquid, experimenting with different shades for added realism and a final touch. And there you have it. A clean and professional chemistry flask icon is ready to use. You can now export it for your science projects, or use it as a standalone graphic.